fuck takes a pic with a mask on, bro? Like, serious shit. You know what? Get one with the mask. Dumbass, blood, like, blood, that's a double dummy, blood, like, blood. First of all, you a grown-ass man taking a side profile pic. Fuck, is this a mug shot or something, blood? Like, turn to the side, pick up your nut sack, lift up your foot, wiggle your toes looking ass nigga, blood. Dumbass, then you got the fucking mask on, blood, like, blood. Retreat, blood, like, fuck out of here, Oh, shit. You know what? My bad. You didn't even do nothing that bad, bro. You said some things. I felt something. I went with it. My bad, bro. Shit. Gorilla Glue is the strongest bud. I like Gorilla Glue. I like it a lot. Niggas ain't been having no glue lately. Like I ain't gonna lie. Like, niggas be having so much new shit. I really ain't came across no good Gorilla Glue. Like, it been a lot. You just reminded me, blood. Cause I really ain't been tripping off it lately. But, like, I really haven't came across no good glue in a while, blood. Yeah, I need some blood. Anybody got some good glue, tap in, blood. I ain't had no good glue in a minute, man. I need a zip of that glue. Let me get a zip of that glue. You ever listen to Green Eyes? I can't say that I have. No, can't say that I have. Blood talking about smoking some water. Blood, look at your fucking, like, blood, get over here, blood. Like, blood, Jungle's weed dealer. Like, blood, this nigga look like he sell weed in the jungle. Blood, the fuck are you talking about, blood, with that drunk ass shirt, blood? Like, blood, you look like you be fucking the customers and shit, blood. Like, hey, what you doing? You going to school today? You gonna smoke some weed? Like, looking ass nigga, blood, like, blood, strong cologne wearing ass nigga, like, blood. You look like you wear woodsy cologne too, like pine, like, blood, pine-based cologne wearing ass nigga. Like, yeah, you know, in school, nigga got a Cadillac with the fucking mustard and the mayo on that motherfucker, like, blood, pine cologne wearing ass nigga, blood, read shit, blood. Fuck. I'm serious, I fucking hate pine-based cologne. Stetson wearing ass nigga. What kind of cologne are you wearing? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. You know you funny when you make yourself laugh. You make ice cream? Mm-hmm. Ice cream? Why you so happy? Why you so happy? Ice cream? Why you so happy?
queen.
What's up with Crip Man? I don't know, man. That nigga giving five to his community. Giving back five my community. You listen to blood. Get over here, blood. Ain't nobody asking about no fucking breezy boy, blood. You thought that was slick, blood. You thought you was slick. That's you, nigga. Like, blood, fuck out of here, blood. This must be your girl page or something, blood. You thought you was fucking slick. Ain't nobody asking me, do I fucking listen to breezy boy, blood? Like, blood, that's you, nigga. Weird ass, blood. Sitting there, blood. Fuck with you with your girl or something, blood. Weird ass, me go get with his girl. Hey, tell him to ask about me. Tell him to ask about blood. Weird ass, blood. That's you, nigga. Weird, retreat, blood. Why asking me, do I fucking listen to you, nigga? The fuck out of here. Weird ass. Nigga tell his girl, ask about me. Hey, ask him. Ask him, do he listen to me? Your dumb ass gonna do it, but read shit, bro. Fuck out of here. Let me see, bro. Shut the fuck up, man. Okay, Shorty just dropped a diss track on Fulio. Cool shit. Lil Dale, whatever, man, call straight. Skull, what was your ultimate goal? Wait, what? What the fuck? Let me see. Skull, what was your ultimate goal growing up career-wise? I never had an ultimate goal for growing up. I don't know. Like when I grew up, I just wanted to be fresh as hell, nigga, with a gang of money. Like, but I didn't really know which direction I was gonna go with it. I tried to be a rapper, working, man. I knew I wasn't working no job. I knew that. I said, fuck that. Like, I can't work for no nigga. Like, look, I can't work under pressure. Like these niggas, like, you know what I mean? I knew I was a nigga that couldn't work under pressure. That's what the fuck I did know. So that really was my ultimate goal, to never work under pressure, bro. That was my ultimate goal, to never have to work under pressure, bro. Retreat, bro. The little ass short song. Seriously. What's the man? Shut up, bro. Don't start this shit, bro. Let me see, who is this symbolic truth? That should be interesting. Symbolic truth. First 2 seconds. First 2 seconds. I knew you came in zesty, came in creepy. Like, I knew it was gonna be like, you can't even tell me now. Like, ain't no coming back now. You already came
Hamburger
in.
face.
Nah, you already came in zesty and creepy.
Charbroiled face.
Like, nah, it ain't no, like, bro, ain't no coming back from that, bro. Like, retreat, bro. Ain't no coming back from that, bro. First 2 seconds, we already knew, like, but you on the bottom bun. Nigga look like he on the bottom bun. Just, yeah, that shit was weird as hell, man. What you on the bottom bunk? Something. I remember when I had my first bottom bunk. Weird ass. Everything to cash. Nigga got the scary blood. Let me see. Duck smoking quack. Finna be weird. Definitely gonna be weird. You decline. You knew you was gonna be weird as shit. I'm glad you declined, though. Like, serious shit. I'm glad you declined. You knew you was gonna be weird as fuck, man. Special ed ass skull. Blood, shut your Nigerian looking ass up, blood. You fucking Nigerian. Wait, hold on, blood. Retreat, blood. Retreat. Fuck out of here. Blood, you Nigerian scammer looking ass nigga. Like blood, you all hedge fund manager looking ass nigga, blood. Talking about you like lying ass nigga, blood. You look like you go to fucking local restaurant and bars, like blood, you go to bar and grills and lie about what the fuck you do. Yeah, I do a number of investments. And I said, like, blood, you take people money, blood. Shut your lying ass up, blood. Scamming ass nigga, blood. You think just because you got on the suit that we gonna trust you? Like, yeah, I got on the suit. Like they always trust a nigga in a suit. Nigga, I don't trust a black ass nigga in a suit. Like, retreat, blood. Get the fuck out of here. Fucking crook. The fucking crook. You ain't fooling me, blood. I work in real estate. Nah, blood, you take people money, blood. So that's where that's put a fucking shirt on. Like, blood, get somebody to take your pics. Blood, stop taking fucking selfies in the mirror, you fucking creep. Blood, look at your creepy ass. Blood, you look like you fucking sending pics to some unsuspecting teenager or something. Blood, like you trying to look young. Blood, you old as shit. Blood, you like, you know how you remind me of? Blood, you remind me of fucking Fred Savage from Wonder Years. Blood, you look like young as shit, but you're really old as hell. Blood, that's why Winnie Cooper was bullshitting on giving you that coochie. Blood, she knew something was up. Blood, Winnie Cooper would never give you no coochie, but she knew you looked old as hell, blood. Like, blood, this nigga, he go to school with us, but blood look old as hell, blood. Look at us, blood, retreat. Fuck out of here, blood. Fucking creep. Oh, shit. Fucking creep, bro. When you going to start cooking for us again? But Breezy boy, like, blood, get off my shit, blood. Like, blood, we already figured you out, blood. Don't cut, like, blood, don't try to come in here and now you trying to act like you your girl. Yeah, when you gonna start cooking it? Like, blood, you already asked us about your album, blood. Like, blood, don't try to like retract now and act like you really the girl now. Like, blood, retract. Ask me about my fucking cooking. You seen I just got through cooking. When you gonna start cooking for us again? I just got through cooking, blood. Blood. See, that's how I know it's you, blood. We're not. When you gonna start cooking for us again, bro? You fucking tried it. You tried it. That's what you did. You tried it. We fuck with you in Arizona, blood. What up? Yeah, I fuck with AZ. What's the deal, AZ? What's the deal? Yo, I just don't know how to work this camera, yo. Swear, nah, you lying, bro. Get over here, blood. You requested to go live. You came in and you got nervous at the last minute, blood. You clicked out. I saw what you did, blood. You lying, blood. See, you lying, blood. Like, see, that's why some niggas don't got no bitches, blood. Like, that's why you got on them glasses in the picture, blood, because you're a lying motherfucker. You know that somebody might come across your profile, like, blood, that's that lying motherfucker that was talking that shit at that bar, blood. Lying ass nigga, like a lying ass blood, like blood. Any nigga that always want to wear glasses, lie. Serious shit, niggas that always want to wear glasses, lie, blood. Read shit. Shit weird as hell. Does anyone still know how to get to Sesame Street? Blood, watch this, blood. I don't know, but I know how to get your ass blocked. Fuck until I get to Sesame Street. My boyfriend put me on you. I love your funny ass. Thank you. Tell that nigga I said good looking too. You know what I'm good looking for sending me your girl. No, I'm just playing. I saw you in Inglewood years ago and said I look like Floyd Mayweather. Wait, what? Wait, let me see. I saw you in Inglewood years ago and you said I look like Floyd Mayweather. I did? I said that? Well, now you look like Casanova 2 times now, motherfucker. Like, how you go from Mayweather and grow into Casanova 2 times, blood? Like, blood, I'm a whole gangster face ass, blood. Ain't true. Now, what's the deal, my nigga? You know I'm a whole gangster. Yeah.